All right, I have a problem with my 2006 Honda Ridgeline. Let me just turn the, there we are, everything's coming on. My right blinker works just fine, but when I do the left, nothing happens. If I do the hazards, same deal. You can see up there the right hazards works, but the left one's not working. However, as you can see, when I lock the car, they work just fine. I'll show you in the back. So it's not my bulbs that are out, rather it's on some sites that it's the relay that's gone out. I stopped at AutoZone, picked up a relay. This actually has a lifetime warranty on it, so we're gonna try and swap it out. Change it out down here and up underneath the dash here, so I can move the seat back and lay my back there and see what I can do. Okay, so this is the relay that you replace. It's got two tabs, you see, one on this side right here and one on the other side right here, that you got to clear when you pull this out. The location, so there's my emergency brake, which I have depressed. Oh, sorry for dropping the phone there. Well, that's our little booger right there. It's yeah, it's nighttime. I'm having a hard time seeing here, but got my headlight on. That's what we're shooting for. So what I'm gonna do, let's see here. I'm gonna get a place I can. There we go. So let me get my little screwdriver here, my long flathead. You see, there's one of those tabs right there. So you got to get this little guy in here, like so. See if I can get an angle on this. That wire's right in the way. There we go. I can see it in this direction. There we go. So you're gonna get this right in there, like that. And you gotta I just pry it up just a little bit. And now you can see that's pulled out. Now the key is, you gotta do the same thing on the other side, which I'm not gonna be able to show you. You gotta do the same thing on the other side and get it free. So you can pause and see if I can get that done. All right, where's my light? There we go. So there it is out. You just got to get your screwdriver back on this back side and get that one free. And then very carefully come back to this side and get that one free. And then kind of pull it out. It does have, what is that, like 6 different terminals it's got to pull out. So but that's your little relay, that's your little problem. And I'm going to replace it with the other one. So this is my new one. And I mean, super simple placement. You just put it in and push it in. This little window here, this little port, this little sound port here. No, there's not one on the other side. I lost it. Not one on the other side. That goes, when you put it in, it'll be, that little window be towards, you know, the cabin, not towards the back of the car, not the front of the car. So, again, just goes, let's see. I guess I don't know if you can see it. Let me, yeah, it goes in that spot right there. My phone keeps getting in the way. Pull the headset off, see if I can get light on there. That's it. That's the guy we're looking for. That's how we're going in. And there you can see the tab that's on the other side. And of course the tab that's on this side as well. So I'm gonna, fortunately it's too tight down here, and I don't have enough hands to be able to hold my phone and show you me plugging it in. But you just push it in, snap it in. All right, and there it is installed. You just want to make sure those tabs are nicely seated on the other side. Like I said, you can't see the one side, but you can just see that one's snapping. You can kind of feel it with your fingers, and of course it won't come back out when you pry pull on it. So there it is installed. All right, now we come back up. And now when I put my keys in, still got my right, now I got my left. And if I do my flashers, they're both working. So I hope that's helpful. Good luck.